इतले आतां हे जातलें केन्ना फायनल अजूनही एक केन्ना जातलें म्हणजे आमी गेली म्हणजे तर आख्ख्या म्हणजे ह्या सेशनात जेन्ना सगळो येयला तेन्ना सगळो रिजनल प्लॅना बद्दल चर्चा जाता फक्त गव्हर्मेंट चेंज जाता मिनिस्टर चेंज जातात नाही हे जातात पूण केन्ना फायनल केन्ना जातलें
स्पीकर सर हांव एग्री जाता की तूं म्हणटा ताका की रिजनल प्लॅन म्हणटा तो गेले 19 वर्सां चलता आतां आमी 2017 आहा 3.5 वर्सांनी एक नवो रिजनल प्लॅन येता 3.5 वर्सांनी नवो रिजनल प्लॅन परतो करपाक बसुया काय 2030 मेरेन प्लॅनिंग करुया सरकाराक कशें दिसता 2030 मेरेन रिजनल प्लॅन करचो आनी फॉर वीच द बेजीस ऑफ दीस प्लॅन will be TDR policy, transferable development rights. ही पॉलिसी एक पार्शियली दुसऱ्या स्टेटींनी यूज केल्ली आहा आनी प्रोग्रेसिव्ह कंट्रीज लायक द युनायटेड स्टेट्स हॅव डन इट वी फील दॅट गोवा इज अ प्रोग्रेसिव्ह स्टेट अँड वी शूड शो द path to the country by using this policy. In this policy, what will happen is eco-sensitive areas, conservation houses, salt pans, khazans, all ecologically sensitive areas will be conserved and will be incentivized. ही पॉलिसीचेर आमी नवो रिजनल प्लॅन करूंक सोदतात ताजेर TDR पॉलिसी आसतली पूण एक प्रॉपर्टीक DR दिवपा खातीर टायम वचूंक शकता हाजे खातीर आमकां दिसता की जे अर्जंट आनी एसेन्शियल वस्तू आहा केसीस ज्यो आहा त्यो टावन कंट्री प्लॅनिंग बोर्डान कन्सिडर करच्यो इन द इंटरीम पिरियड हें जर केलें जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता हातूंत ट्रान्सपेरन्सी उरतली आनी प्लॅन्ड डेव्हलपमेंट म्हणटा गोंयाक दिसूंक मेळटलो.
Speaker sir, he has not answered to the point. Will a proper policy come in place and how long will it take? Will it take another 20 years or continuous?
The regional plan 2030 will be conceptualized by taking the House into confidence. It is not a small document. It is going to be the important legislation. We will do it within the next 6 months. Number one. Number two, in that period, if you find that samki gorjechi gost aha, you come to the board and we will give you case to case whether it is fit. If it is not fit, we will not convert eco-sensitive areas. Number two. Number three, I have not bought a painting brush as yet. So there is no question of painting anything which you fear.
Because sir, there has to be something. One second. Whatever you do has to be legal.
The Town and Country Planning Act can be amended if so required. It is a 1974 Act.
Yes.
It has been amended several times. It can be really amended for one final time and make it really strong. We will do it. We will do it immediately.
When?
Immediately we'll do it. We'll do it in the next 7 days.
There is a regulatory.
Speaker sir, even the Town Country Planning Department has to be made more strong to take on the challenges of the present day. That also we intend to do within this week itself. We'll make the Town and Country Planning Department more stronger to take these challenges. I can assure you.
Assurance.